Now, if you've been following the headlines, you've probably heard that the real estate market is in turmoil. The truth is, that's not the whole story. Mortgage rates have been persistently high, hovering around 7% since 2022. And combined with economic uncertainty this year, a lot of would be buyers have been sidelined for the better part of this year. So, right now, Orange County is in a neutral market. That means that we're seeing more homes on the market than normal. It's taking longer to sell overall, and we're seeing lower buyer demand as a whole. In other words, buyers have more options and a little bit more negotiating power, while sellers need to be sharper and more strategic than ever in order to get their homes sold. Now, let me be clear, prices aren't crashing, the sky isn't falling. What we're seeing is slower appreciation and more price reductions, but mostly from sellers who are still overpricing their homes. In July, 61% of all sellers reduced their asking price before selling, which is a clear signal that pricing strategy really matters in today's market. So, where are prices today? For single family homes, the median sales price in July was 1.4 million. That is up 30,000 higher than last year, but essentially flat when compared to January of this year. We started the year at 1.4 million, so not much movement this year yet. Townhomes, on the other hand, the median sales price is 870,000. That is up by 11,000 year over year, but more impressively, up 40,000 since January when prices started at 830,000. The bigger story here is inventory. There are 30% more homes for sale this year than there was at this time last year. For buyers, that means more choices. For sellers, that means more competition. And in today's market, success comes to having a complete and dialed in strategy, professional prep and cleaning, staging, quality photography, smart pricing, and aggressive marketing. Do it right, and your home can still sell quickly, often with multiple offers and for more money. Do it wrong, and you'll sit on the market for a long time. And we're seeing this play out in the numbers. On average, townhomes are taking about 85 days to sell, and single family homes in Orange County are taking 95 days to sell. If we break this down by price point, properties priced under $750,000, you're looking at 66 days. For properties at between 750 and 1 million, that is 67 days in today's market. For properties between 1 million to 1,250,000, you're looking at 65 days. 1,250,000 to 1.5 million, that's 78 days. And anything above 1.5 million is taking 100 days or more. Of course, those are averages, so some properties move faster, others much slower. With the right approach, things can happen quickly. For example, my recent listing at 915 Lombard sold with multiple offers above list in just one weekend. The bottom line is this: strategy and execution are everything. Sellers who get this right are still winning in this market. If you're thinking about making a move, don't wait for the headlines to decide for you. Reach out and let's put a winning strategy together so that you too can achieve success. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.